真侪人拢讲，这早顿是一天当中上界重要一顿。不过，你愿意开偌济钱来食这顿呢？伫咧英国伦敦有一间餐厅是推出一顿就要3800块台票的早顿，敢有价值？咱做伙来看卖。
食早顿，你愿意开偌济咧？英国伦敦一间餐厅推出高级早顿，一份就要台票3800，其中5项菜，每项菜拢加一份无酒精的饮料。虽讲是早顿，量拢无济，不过用料无凊彩。像讲这项龙虾棒是酥酥脆脆可爽，顶头搁放龙虾满肉，搁压一寡 cheese， 看到足好食款。开这间餐厅的米其林星级厨子认为，一般人食早顿食甲足紧的，嘛足香的，袂注心去传，所以希望消费者来这间餐厅会当慢落来，好好享受。
It's the very most important meal of the day. So, and we take also a joy in delighting our guests from the very first step in the morning. And every details matters.
另外，伫咧出菜时阵，拢有服务人员解说，希望互食饭的人有完整的体验。
So I'm Danish myself. You might have heard that we're a bit famous for our pastries, and I had the lovely opportunity to try this beautiful Danish pastry this morning. A bit of poached pear and blueberry in there. I think Denmark would be proud.
I think it's nice just to see things different. I've really enjoyed it. I'm actually not usually a breakfast eater, but making an event of the morning and so you can go out into London afterwards, having felt like you've had a real experience. It's great.
这份高级早顿虽讲价俗无俗，不过这对这间餐厅的消费者来讲，开钱买，若是食好料，嘛是一种生活体验。敢有价值，就看人看看啦。公视新闻由派准编译。